Welcome to the Trade Secrets podcast, the #1 podcast in construction, with your hosts Joseph Valente and me, Paul Selman. Get motivated, get inspired, and get educated. If you like what you hear, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Stop till we're legends.
Hi guys, my name is Paul Selman and welcome to the Trade Mastermind Trade Secrets podcast. Today is a very special episode. We are joined by some of our ambassadors and some of our clients that are on both the Renewables Business Builder Academy and also the Boiler Business Builder Academy. Now there are different stages of their journeys, and what we want to get to today is we want to just talk about one, where they are in the journey, why they started in the first place, and what they're looking to achieve for the future. So I just want to go around and actually introduce the panel today. So I'll start with yourselves, Joe. So if you wouldn't mind, just give us your name, where you're based, what business you're in.
My name's Joe. I run the company JP&M Gas, based on the Isle of Sheppey, Kent.
Cool.
And we do boiler installations and air conditioning.
Lovely. Close area to me, that one.
Absolutely,
That's
mate. Absolutely.
Very good. I can give you all my ex-customers.
Yes. But
There we go. Fantastic. Jamie.
So yeah, Jamie from a company called Ecology Solutions. It's a new business. We're going to be helping landlords achieve their EPC rating of C or B, depending on where they want to get to, and also businesses with wanting to get to their net zero targets as well. Right. So it's quite a varied business, and principally we're targeting solar to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's definitely a growth industry.
Yeah.
Thanks for the intro. Red.
my name's Red. I'm a sparky. Want to grow my business. Want to get some direction.
Yeah.
Want to get off the tongues.
Want to get off the tools and get rich. I like it. This is what we're on about.
Like my philosophy is like I want to do the minimum amount of work, most money.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like,
I know what you mean. I definitely know.
made a lot.
Yeah.
So that's kind of what I want to do. And yeah, like I said, I get direction of what to do. Like I've been doing this for 2 years on my own. It's like I am winging it. I'm trying to find out what's next. I'm asking things. What do I do? Like finance.
Well, I can definitely guarantee you're going to get a bit of direction over the next 12 months. So anyway,
Yeah, I reckon so.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. Cool.
I'm a service and breakdown engineer about my company for the last 25 years.
Where are you based?
Southwest London,
Southwest
Surrey. And so I've been on the tools for 25 years. I've grown it, shrunk it again, grown it again. But can't get past that £500,000 mark. And,
Right, you found your plateau in the market.
And I realise we do installs, got some subbies do installs. But I don't know anything about business. I've never went to school, let alone business school. So,
Yeah, to be fair, that's what we find with a lot of guys when they reach out to trade. It's just there's small bits that are missing.
Yeah.
We've done varying times. We've got 25 years here. How long have you guys been?
I've had my business now 5 years.
5 years? Yeah.
I've been in business myself for 16 years.
You've done some different other businesses.
Yeah.
as
So
well,
this business is completely new. So
Cool.
literally
yeah.
a couple of weeks.
Fresh out of the box.
A couple of weeks, but I've been in business since 2007 on my own.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right. So you've got some experience in business as well. What about yourself? How long have you been going?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. So we've got 2 to 25.
On and off as well. 'Cause
Yeah.
I'll like go back on site and then
Yeah.
because it's dead or whatever,
But 2 weeks to 25 years. I mean, this is
Yeah.
what I mean, though. We've got a range of businesses in here, but the knowledge you've normally what's kind of missing to get to that next level, whether you've been here it's 2 weeks or 12 years, 25 years. So, I mean, what made you guys join? Because all you guys have only been on the academy, what, 1 month, 2 months, something like that?
For me, I've been very successful in the property world and grown quite a significant portfolio, and it's all on the back of property education course,
Right,
and
okay.
that enabled me to do it.
Yeah.
So when we found this business that we wanted to start, I knew that I had to start off with a property education course in an area that's completely new to us.
Yeah, cool.
If I want to be a hairdresser, I won't go to Sainsbury's and buy a pair of scissors and just go cut hair.
You end up looking like me.
This is a new industry. I want to scale it. I want to scale it to 100 million, and the only way I
100
can do
million?
that. The only way I can do that is to get on a course and go and learn the trade right from the beginning and get it right straight away.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, I do that. I'm in property as myself. I've been trading in the stock market, do all sorts of other bits and pieces. And every time I do it, I whack a mentor on the side, try and speed the process up. By yourself, Joe, why don't you reach out?
Yeah, it's just learning how to run it as a business more as the local engineer. Just offering what I offer on a bigger scale.
Yeah. Well, I like there's shirts already. You've also embraced the branding already. Where you going?
On there, mate. That's it. No, just
Sales shoes as well.
yeah, just yeah.
I got socks on though.
It's yoga shoes.
I know, to be fair, the engineers used to take the mickey out of me because I had shinier ones of this. It might be the ex-Navy, but I used to get them all shiny on the toe caps. And they used to say, oh, here we go, shiny shoes is on his way. I was like, no, take the mick. You know, shiny shoes is what's winning you the work. So, what about yourself? Well, what do you reach out to?
I think the thing with me is, I've been running a business for a long time, but I didn't know how to do it properly. And I sort of know that I could probably go to business college or something, but the fact that it's tradesmen for trades.
Yeah, it's niche.
It's niche. It's specialist. You know, we talk the same language.
Yeah.
And therefore, as I say, I've probably got more chance of learning someone like yourself rather than someone who's been to university, etc., etc.
Well, I mean, that's why I decided to come back and do this because I thought there's no bullshitting people here, but both ways. I can't do that to you, and your clients can't do it back to me because I've been through every single problem that you're going to face so far. Until you get to a point where I haven't been yet myself, and then that's where we've got Joe and Chris, where they were doing 600 units a month, which is ridiculous levels of installation. So every step that you've been through, we can kind of attack. So but we all meet that plateau. I mean, my plateau was 200 grand, yours was $500,000. But when you get to that bit, you just think, unless you get told where to go out and do it, you just trying stuff out. You can spend years trying it, where you can speed the process up by just asking the people. I mean, to be fair, if I'd known about mentoring 10 years
it wasn't
ago,
around, was it?
No, it
Let's be
wasn't.
honest. I mean, we didn't even have YouTube, did we?
No, exactly,
So
I could have gone a bit
different
quicker.
world, isn't it?
Yeah. What about yourself, bro? What do you mentioned a few things about what you reached out.
You just said what he just said. That resonates. It's so relaxed. Do you know what? Yeah, I come onto it. I didn't think about like making like millions of pounds.
No.
I just wanted a bit of direction and from someone like a mentor who's done it before. Like just put like a blueprint. Follow the blueprint. And now, then I watch the video. Then I come to the day and watch Joe run around.
Oh yeah. It's got some energy in it.
He's got some energy. Yeah. I was like, Jesus Christ, and like he's believable because he's
a plumber.
He's a plumber.
Yeah, plumber. Yeah, like it just makes sense.
That's it. I was my plumber. You've even got a name for it.
Yeah, so relatable, like you said. Like,
Actually,
imagine learning. Sorry, go on.
what you just said, actually, it's not just about learning stuff.
Yeah.
It's a mastermind, and that means you go through a 12-month program, and you go through as a cohort. So, we'll be doing this together over 12 months. And you're kind of helping each other and supporting each other, and you've got little
Love
WhatsApp
that.
groups, and you're asking each other questions.
And
that keeps you close all the way through, and keeps you motivated and hungry, and keeps you going. It's not just
off of the master,
No.
the tutors. You learn. Yeah, I could be.
Exactly.
Price for this and how are you pricing?
Yeah.
You don't get that
Like,
with
it just
suppliers,
gives
do
you
you?
a whole no way.
Yeah. People will fight against you, the suppliers, but you go forward together here.
Or I've got a lead in Cockneyland, wherever you are. Cockneyland. So, I can't service that, but I can give it to you, and you can give me to one in Birmingham and so on, all over the country. And so there's all that as well. It's much more than just the learning.
But there was a quote I heard once, and it said, if you want to go forward quickly, go on your own. If you want to go far, go together. Exactly. That's kind of quite explains it to me. But and this is why I think we get a bit of a breach between academies as well. So I know the renewables guys are speaking to the boiler guys as well now. They're kind of gelling, and the boiler guys are bringing out renewables are tagging on boilers. And they're industries where they don't necessarily have the on-the-tools knowledge. Now, back in the day, I would have gone, well, actually, then if I want to start fitting solar, I better go on a solar course myself. But not now. It'd be, I find an expert in solar and I send them out to work. And then I just work around fixing the business that's going to supply them with work, and I reap the profit. So this is why the other guys are able to adapt so much as well. So what sort of thoughts have we got for the future? Have we got any targets? Because obviously we're fresh into the out of the blocks on the 12-month program.
That's thing with this course as well. It gives you so if you don't even know what it'll be like right now.
Yeah.
And then
It's in your head, it's just a dream.
I was like, that's where I want to be. that's my trade.
Well, we do that in the finance section. We literally pick out how much is it that you want Will to make the business work. What was your goal for?
My goal is, I've got 28 boiler changes last year, but I haven't on service rate,
Yeah.
which I've always subbed them out. But my goal is to know what to do, to understand the actual business side of it. I mean, I know how much money I turn over, and I know how much money I manage to get out of the business every year, and I've done it right for the last 25 years. I'd like to know how to run a business. My back is telling me that, and I have at any point I could get told I'm not working on the tools again. So
I was only in my late 30s and I had arthritis kicking in and bad backs. I've been on the tools for 20 years, you know?
Yeah.
It's not good.
Yeah.
We're getting off the tools.
Yeah.
How about yourself, Joe? You got
Yeah,
goals?
that is the goal, mate. Really get off the tool.
Yeah.
Work on the business. Obviously, family driven.
Yeah.
And what comes in, work hard and being rewarded for it.
Yeah, of course.
And working non-stop.
I know, working on stuff and feeling like you're getting nowhere, I know. It does.
So that is just my initial goal. Mate.
You had a really big financial one then, didn't you?
Well, we've got brand-driven goals.
Yeah.
Who we want to be, how we want to be seen, where we want to be as a brand and reputation. We've got financial goals. So within the first 12 months, we're going to do. We'll do a million. We'll do a million by the end of the first 12 months.
Good.
We do have 100 million after 5 years.
100 million.
Yeah.
I like that one.
You can put this down in your podcast.
There you go,
and
well,
can
it's
come
good.
back in 5 years' time. And it's
Called accountability.
no, serious.
Into the world.
I've done it in the property world, and we'll do it here.
Nice.
Yeah.
There you go. I like the ambition. That's good stuff.
I was
So,
a salesman before I was a boiler engineer.
well, yeah, as well.
The reason I became a heating engineer
Yeah.
when I was 35 is because I'd worked out that if I had a heating engineer unit, it was actually easier to sell things. I
Ah.
used to sell bathrooms, to Dolphin bathrooms
Okay.
back in the day.
That's where the root of if you turn up looking like you've done a day's work came from. Okay. Well, we're going to have to get you changed back into the sales outfit. That sounds great, though. Well, I mean, it's great to hear how many goals you've got coming through.
Yeah.
So, I mean, have you got any worries about the next sort of 12 months? Anything that you're going to be really concerned about? Or do you pretty much just want to follow the process?
Spreadsheet. So
Spreadsheets, yeah, okay, yeah, we can do the finance. We'll get you locked in on that.
Managing people,
Yeah.
get reliability out of people.
Yeah.
Well, there was a quote in recruitment that Chris told me.
Cash flow.
Yeah. Well, the thing that Chris told me about recruitment, because I was always worried about that to find a person. He said there's an art to it. Firing somebody in the best way is the ability to tell them to go to hell and make them look forward to the journey. Okay, so there's an art form to that as well, but we cover that in the recruitment target. So what about yourself?
For us, we feel comfortable with the sales and marketing and scaling it. Where we're going to struggle is the people, building
Back-end
the
operations.
teams and managing those teams and making sure the quality controls in place so we're not upsetting customers and that they can carry through our brand and all of that side. So it's more operational actually than the sales and marketing.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
See what I mean? Every business needs something different.
Yeah.
About yourself, Harvey, Joe? Anything you're worried about?
Yeah, similar to me, fair, just to make sure the worries is, not getting it right. That you can still deliver
Yeah.
the goods as well as
There's growing.
as growing. Yeah, absolutely.
Well, a lot of business owners don't want to let go of control because
No,
we're all used to controlling stuff.
Yeah.
You know, so but you do have to let go of the control, but doing it in a controlled manner. And that's then replaced by people, systems, and processes. And when you get that all that locked down, then that's when you know you start to build a business that you're working on, not having to actually work in. That's also then when you can scale up different systems. But I mean, like, I've been through this process with nearly 3,000 clients since Trade Mastermind opened stores. And we've heard the same concerns out of every single one of them at different levels. They all come through either brand new businesses, albeit you've got business experience, to guys that have done 25, 30 years in the industry. And they've all done the same if you follow that blueprint. Because there isn't any other way of doing it. You've just got to follow the steps bit by bit by bit. And then the results come as natural as they should do. So it's good and it's an exciting time. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Well, it should be because there should be the rewards there. I mean, obviously this afternoon we're going to go through finance with you guys anyway, so we're going to crystallise the reward section at that point. So, well, look, guys, I'd like to thank you for actually coming onto the podcast today. So, if you've enjoyed that episode of the Trade Secrets podcast, then feel free to click the link below to subscribe for future episodes. Thank you for listening to the Trade Mastermind Trade Secrets podcast. If you want to find out how Trade Mastermind can help you further,
head to our website trademastermind.co.uk and don't forget to like and subscribe.